Hi guys, I'm Teerna. I'm in my final year of cell and molecular biology and I'm also one of your global guides. Healthy UCD creates a culture supportive of healthy choices for staff and students at UCD. It also raises awareness on how to make better choices for your health and well-being. You can find their website at Healthy UCD. If you go into the activities, you can find a great set of resources. These include things like Relaxation at UCD, which have meditation and mindfulness for students. You could discover other things like healthy eating. They also conduct great challenges like the UCD 100, where you had to run, jog, or walk 100 kilometers in 30 days. Their Instagram page is also great, with tips on workouts and some easy recipes that you can make. Another very handy resource is the UCD Maths Support Centre located in the James Joyce Library. You have various tutors who can help you with your problems, tutorials, and help you understand maths concepts better. To use the Maths Support Centre, you can visit their website and book a session. It'll allow you to pick a date and time of your choice. You just have to fill in a few details like your name, your student number, and what your query is. UCD ALL, or UCD Access and Lifelong Learning, is the bridge to inclusion in UCD. They aim to widen access and participation by diverse students, including those with disabilities, mature students, part-time students, and those from a disadvantaged socioeconomic background. You can find their website by typing in UCD ALL. If you go into the UCD Students section, you can see that they have various support options such as the laptop scheme and accommodation. They also support students who need it with things like extra time. So if you need any support, definitely get in touch with them. UCD Sports and Fitness is one of the best resources available in UCD. It has free membership for students at the gym and it has a 50-meter Olympic-sized swimming pool. They also conduct various classes, right from your traditional workout like Les Mis to other things like Zumba and yoga. You can find UCD Sports and Fitness on Facebook and Instagram. During the lockdown, they are actually conducting live classes for you to follow from the comfort of your own home. UCD is Ireland's global university. That's why, as an international student, UCD Global is your one-stop location. You have various teams who are here to help you with your every need. You also have students like me who are global guides, and we organize events and answer your queries. UCD Global has various social media channels. On our website, you can find the answer to most of your queries, including COVID-19 FAQs. Our Twitter page will help you keep up to date with everything that's happening, not only with us, but on campus as well. You can find us on Instagram, where us global guides will also be posting daily stories on movies and books, food, health and well-being, and useful resources. You can find the events that we organize on the UCD Global Lounge page on Facebook, and you can register for these. You also have the UCD Global page where you can find out what's happening with students and in UCD and in Dublin in general. Finally, on our YouTube page, you can find student testimonials and some important tips about orientation.